That STK file is a Stellarium script, automated planetarium presentation commands that guide viewers through celestial events and astronomical tours. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you create, run, or troubleshoot these planetarium scripts. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for STK file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. STK files are script files for Stellarium, a free open-source planetarium software. They contain automated sequences of commands controlling sky view positions, time flow, constellation displays, and informational overlays for creating guided astronomical presentations and demonstrations. Stellarium STK files use a JavaScript-based scripting engine with Stellarium-specific API calls for controlling the virtual sky. Commands set observer location date and time field of view, constellation art display and label visibility for automated planetarium presentations. The reliable first choice for the STK file type is Stellarium developed by the Stellarium team. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows may show the code clearly, yet proper execution requires compatible development tools. Let's check the registry associations. Right-click your STK file, then click Open With. Try Stellarium if you see it. If it is not there, test the next application. We are looking for a successful file link. If the STK file still will not open, there is no need to stress. You're dealing with a truly tricky STK file. We must now test the most common points of failure. Let's see exactly where the error is originating. First, running the script. Open Stellarium and press F12 to open the script console. Click Load Script and browse to your STK file. Press the Run button to execute the script, which will automate the planetarium view according to the scripted commands and timing sequences. Next, editing scripts. Open the STK file in any text editor to modify commands and timing. Use Stellarium scripting API documentation to add commands like core set date for time changes, Stell movement mgr zoom to for view changes, and landscape mgr set current landscape ID for location settings. Finally, creating new scripts. Start a new STK file in a text editor using Stellarium scripting API. Begin with core.setObserverLocation to set the viewing position. Add time sequences using core. Wait between commands to create smooth astronomical presentations. Save with the STK extension and test in Stellarium. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.